Thanks for joining me on our woodland walk tour. This is a part of the garden that we started as a way of gardening without having to mulch and do everything. We still have to weed, invasives mostly. So we have viburnums coming in bloom. This is an arrowwood viburnum next to an oak leaf hydrangea, which has set its buds but is not blooming yet. The azaleas are just about finished, although we do have a few summer blooming azaleas in the woods. Here's a wild Columbine. And we have lots of hosta and other things planted along the way. Here's some ever-blooming bleeding heart. Some geranium, pink geranium, and some celandine papi. A little tiarella down there. Foam flower. A lot of ferns in this part of the woods. They do very well. We sort of get dappled sunlight most of the day. There's a bleeding heart. Purple heuchera. Painted fern. Hosta. There's some jack in the pulpits, and over on this side you can see some hellebores and more heucheras, foam flowers, some geraniums, a little bit of woodland phlox. Over here we have just the end of some of our yellow Trillium. Most of them are done. We have about 6 kinds of Trillium. And on the back of this tree there was moss growing, so we added a little bit of Quaker ladies, which are also called bluets. And they have done very well. They love the moss. These have been in bloom for almost 2 months now. Variegated Solomon seal. We have some Chinese hardy ground orchids. They're not showing the color very well. A little bench to sit down with a cup of coffee or a glass of wine at the end of the day. Some pink phlox, and we have a woodland poppy here. I'm real excited. It's the first time it's bloomed for us. And thank you for coming on our woodland tour.